Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Today I have a Louis Vuitton double unboxing video for you guys. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, then just keep watching. So this was an anniversary gift from my husband. We just celebrated 19 years of marriage and he took me to our favorite Italian restaurant. And afterwards we went to the Louis Vuitton boutique and I picked up this bag. It has been on my wish list for quite some time. So I felt like with fall right around the corner, it was the perfect time to pick this bag up. And let me show you what I ended up getting. So let's just take off the ribbon and the beautiful Louis Vuitton box, and comes in the Louis Vuitton dust bag. And then this is the Speedy bandolier. Yes, it is flat as a pancake. So I did try out the Speedy in 3 different sizes, the size 20, the size 25, and 30. Each size had its own unique charm. Believe me, it was a tough decision, but after much consideration, I settled on this size, and this is in the size, down here, you can see, I got the size 25. Absolutely love this so much. So I'm gonna go ahead. So I will say the way this Speedy is packaged, it seems to rub most people the wrong way when I watch unboxings, and I get it. Who wants a luxury bag that comes as flat as a pancake, causing set increases in your gorgeous canvas? Not I. But I do feel like the reason it's folded into a pancake makes sense in that Louis Vuitton did begin his company making travel trunks for travelers. And as his empire evolved from travel trunks to travel luggage, the Speedy, which is a iconic travel bag, it does come flat to show the versatility of taking this bag with you when you travel, because it can easily fit into your luggage. So, I mean, I get the point of why it comes flat, just so that you will know that it's a great way to take it with you if you ever wanted to fold it into a pancake. Now, knowing like why it's folded like a pancake isn't any less annoying to me. I would prefer the bag to come just like this and stuffed so that there are no set increases when I get it, but I know over time they will come out. But this is a stunning bag. So this is the Damier Ebene canvas, again in the size 25, and it is just beautiful. So earlier this year, during the spring and summer collection, Louis Vuitton came out with the Damier Azur nautical collection, and I ended up picking up my very first Speedy 25, and I fell in love with that bag. I have used it nonstop, which is probably why I was so in love with the size 25, and I just knew that I would love the Damier Ebene in this size for fall and winter. It's just the perfect color story for fall and winter, and really any time of the year. I just feel like I would gravitate toward it during the cooler months just because of the color story. But the dimensions of this bag are 9.8 inches in length. They are 7.5 inches in height and 5.6 inches in width. So I did end up getting the Damier Ebene bandolier, which just means it has these two straps with the attachment for the strap on both sides. So you can use the strap as a crossbody or a shoulder bag. Now, I did ask my SA for a travel tag, and he did go ahead and let me have this one, which I am so thankful for. Usually you have to buy them or you have to have luggage in order to get a travel tag, but he gave me one just because I asked him nicely. So I was thrilled, and he went ahead and put the key on for me as well. I'm not sure if I will leave this luggage tag on. I haven't really decided, but it was nice to have the option if I wanted it. And he also went ahead and put the lock on for me. It is so pretty. I love having the lock on my bag. I think it just, I mean, it says Louis Vuitton. It's very iconic to his line to have the locks. And I love the beautiful handles. These are made out of smooth cowhide leather. Has a beautiful trim, has beautiful gold hardware, and it has the double zipper. So let's see inside the bag. Okay, so here is the strap, and this seems quite a bit more, I guess it seems a little bit less soft, a little harder than the Damier Azur, but that is untreated leather on that bag. This is the treated leather, which is nice because you don't have to worry about it in the rain with staining your bag. But it does seem like this may dig into your shoulder a little bit. I don't know. Do you guys have a Speedy 25 with the Damier Ebene? And if you have this strap, let me know. How does it wear? Does it feel okay on the shoulder or crossbodied? Maybe over time it will soften. It just seems a little stiff and hard. So we'll see. But here we have the strap as well as the beautiful gold attach hardware. And let's just see what that, oh, easy to attach. It has adjustments in two places. You can take this middle strap out and just have it as a shoulder bag or add it in for a crossbody. Really pretty. It does say Louis Vuitton on the little clasps. And then let's see the inside of the bag. Ooh, it has the beautiful red inside. It's just one large compartment. It does have a small little zip pocket inside. And the only thing that's in there is the other key, because it comes with the padlock as well as two keys. So here's the other key. And of course, the second key is in the little luggage tag. So beautiful red lining. I absolutely love it. It is so beautiful. I love that it is not going to be so, yes, you don't have to be quite so careful in, you know, when it's raining or if it's snowing out with the treated leather. It is so pretty, so nice. I love just how it's so soft. It really is beautiful. I can't wait to wear this bag. I think it's so nice. So I really am excited to have this. I feel like it is definitely something I'm going to be wearing so much this fall and winter. We can thank Audrey Hepburn for asking Louis Vuitton to custom make her a travel bag in this size, and Louis Vuitton did. He made her a custom Speedy. It was called, I think, the Express, which later became the Keep All, and then he just made one in the size 25 after she asked him to make one for her to have every day. And it has definitely stayed a classic staple to the brand. It's an iconic bag. It's so beautiful. It's so classy. It's so chic. And I think it is just beautiful. So Audrey Hepburn, she did make this bag iconic, and she also made the Speedy one of the most purchased Louis Vuitton bags in history. So I'm thrilled to have this in my collection. Like I said, it has been on my wish list ever since I purchased the nautical Damier Azur Speedy 25 earlier this year. I have just fallen in love with the Speedy bag. I know some people have a problem with like the opening not being quite as large to get your items in and out of. That was not a problem for me. And it's a beautiful bag. I feel like it fits all the things. It's not too big, it's not too small. And while I did really love the Speedy B20, it just wasn't going to be big enough for all my essentials. I like to carry a little bit more, but it is a beautiful bag. The Speedy 30 was a bit large for me. I think it would be a great travel bag, but I wanted something I would be able to carry on the daily, and this is it for me. So very excited to have this in my collection. And I also wanted to go ahead and show you what else I picked up to go with this. And so let's go ahead. This is just my receipt and other information. And so next I have this little box, and I have a little dust bag, and this is the beautiful Clemence Wallet. This is also in the Damier Ebene. It is such a beautiful wallet. I feel like this is probably the most affordable wallet Louis Vuitton has. Has that touch of red on the zipper pull, which goes with the interior of the Speedy 25 Damier Ebene. And it is just so pretty. So I do actually have this wallet. I have it in the Damier Azur. I also have it in the monogram print. And so I wanted to go ahead and get this for my Speedy with the red interior. It is so pretty. And I just love everything about this wallet. It costs $590, which is, like I said, probably one of the more affordable wallets Louis Vuitton sells. Has this great zipper right in the middle. Just has Louis Vuitton's card. It has the little price tag, and then a nice little pocket to put receipts or coins. And then it has really nice space here to put your cards. It also has a nice big pocket. And then on this side, same thing, you have 4 card slots for your cards and a large pocket there as well. So I'm definitely a full-size wallet kind of girl. The length of this is 7.9. The height is 3.5 inches, and it is 0.8 inches wide. So it is just a really beautiful wallet. I have 2 other ones, like I said, so I've used it many, many times, and I absolutely love it. So there we have it. There is our Damier Ebene Speedy 25 with the matching Clemence wallet. Such a nice bag. I'm so excited for fall and winter. I'm going to use the heck out of this. So I hope you guys enjoyed this double unboxing video. Thank you so much for watching. And I would appreciate it so much if you enjoyed this video to go ahead and like it, as well as subscribe to my channel. My next video coming up will be changing my Damier Nautical Speedy 25 by Louis Vuitton into this beautiful Damier Ebene Speedy 25 for my winter fall season. So if that sounds like something you'd be interested in, go ahead and subscribe so you don't miss that video. And thanks so much again for watching. Till next time, bye.